Designed for efficient and reproducible small-scale mixing, the benchtop LevMixer 10-liter single-use mixing system provides high-quality mixing with high product recovery for shear-sensitive fluids. With flexibility built in, the system can be used for liquid-liquid or powder-liquid mixing in a variety of modalities, including gene therapies, monoclonal antibodies, proteins, and nucleic acids. Performing operations such as buffer or media preparation, pH adjustment, fill and finish, tangential flow filtration, and more. We designed this system with ease of use in mind, with a hinge door for easy access, stainless steel construction for easy cleanup, and a large window allowing for visibility to your process. Choose from a range of pre-configured, ready-to-use biocontainers, with options such as pre-sterilized single-use pH probes or inflation lines, or create a customized version tailored for your process. Available biocontainers allow for a wide range of operating volumes, low residual volume, and low minimum mixing volume. The levitating impeller design reduces risk of particle generation and minimizes shear, while operating in a wide range of mixing speeds, accomplishing fast mixing even for viscous media. And a built-in needle-free lure connector allows for quick and easy sampling. If needed, an external temperature control unit can be added for heating and cooling of the process fluid. The system comes with a Windows-based software application to operate it and record batch data locally on a laptop or PC, or control and monitor the system remotely using a distributed control system or supervisory control and data acquisition system. With the addition of this 10-liter mixing system, the well-established LevMixer family now offers a mixing range spanning from 100 milliliters to 1,600 liters. The LevMixer 10-liter single-use mixing system gives you flexible, efficient, and reproducible small-scale mixing in a small benchtop form factor, a perfect fit for your small-scale mixing needs. Contact Cytiva for a demo today.